Can you do that two each for me? Chives right behind you. We call them garlic chives. I'm gonna cut this for you guys for our pad thai. In your country, in the Asian shop, will be big.
Oh yeah, I got it. Better.
Small here. In pad thai. You see, pickle radish rising in 30 seconds, it's changing color. Turn. Okay, so push everything up. And then walk down that way. Alright. So later, after you're done, you want more salty stuff. But if you add it now, it will make your soup which is light brown. It's not as strong as the kalanga lemongrass. It's gonna make it fishy. That's why we use soy sauce and salt. Okay.
So what's next?
You can use chopsticks too. Done. Out.
Okay.
Feel it. See?
Ah, so.
No, feel it.
Oh, yeah, that's
It's
so
cooked fast.
quick.
Yeah. But at home, you have to boil them for 5 minutes, depending
Right.
which brand you have.
Yeah.
If as you're living in Thailand, you know, Marcelo, you can buy like that pack in the market. You can do at home easily.
It's like pre-cooked.
Yes, not pre-cooked. It's just a pack. Remember the market I show you? They cook fast.
Yeah.
Mix, mix, mix. You have to hold the handle when you stir it. It moves better. Turn around, turn the rope, turn the handle around. And then you add one heaping spoon in there. Yeah. And soy sauce 2 teaspoons in there. Are you very full now? We still have 2 more, 3 more to go. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to wrap them. You come roll back. When you roll back, look, you make sure tight and firm and round and roll up. Not there. Look like a boat now. Look, it has to be triangle in this line. Am I clear? Okay, this